Most men think their battle is with lust, but the real battle is with their identity. Lust doesn't destroy a man because he's weak. Lust destroys a man because it rewires his brain to see himself and women in the wrong way. And until you rewire your brain, you'll always relapse back into the same behavior. Today on The Rebuilt Man, I'm going to give you the 7 science-backed, identity-rooted ways to rewire your brain from lust and objectification, so you can finally step into the strength and freedom that God created you for. Porn and lust just don't condition a man to want sex. They condition men to objectify, to escape, to avoid reality. They teach your brain that a woman isn't human. She's a tool to manage your stress. They teach your brain that intimacy isn't commitment, but it's consumption. And they teach you that masculinity isn't leadership, that it's rooted in lust. But the good news, the brain is not stuck. It can be rewired. Neuroplasticity is real. Identity transformation is real. And every man listening right now, I want you to know that you can change. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and host here. And it has been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you caught up in the depths of this addiction. Over 1,700 successful transformations to lead men down the path of conquering porn addiction and step into a life of freedom and purpose. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching us on YouTube, make sure to turn those post notifications on. But there's 7 ways that you can rewire your brain from lust and objectification. And number 1 is to replace lust with leadership. You see, you cannot eliminate a drive. You must elevate above it. Men were not designed to lust. They were designed to lead. When you see yourself as a father, as a protector, as a provider, and as a leader, your brain stops scanning for stimulation. It'll start scanning for responsibility. Now it's that shift from consumption to your calling that will begin to rewire your brain, that will begin to rewire your reward system. So the first step to rewire your brain is to begin to replace your lust with the leadership that God is calling you to. Number 2 is to train your brain to sit in discomfort. Lust hijacks your brain by promising relief, but relief is not the same as freedom. Every time you choose discomfort, restlessness, urges, tension without escape, you lay down new neural pathways for resilience and emotional strength. This is you taking control and laying the building blocks for the man that you're becoming. Discomfort isn't designed to break you. It's designed to build you. You want to rewire your brain from lust and objectification. Learn to sit in discomfort on a daily basis. Step number 3 here is to interrupt fantasy with identity. You cannot win the battle against fantasy by trying not to think about it. The brain doesn't respond to don't. The brain responds to identity. When a lustful thought hits, the question is not, how do I stop thinking this? The question is, who am I? Husband, father, leader, son of God, man of integrity. When your identity speaks louder than your fantasy, the fantasy loses oxygen. Begin to interrupt your lustful thinking in your fantasies with identity-rooted thoughts. Number 4 here is to rebuild and redefine your relationship with the feminine. Porn just doesn't distort sexuality. It distorts relationships. It conditions your brain to want control, not connection. Pleasure, not partnership. Fantasy, not intimacy. Healing doesn't come from running from women. It comes from learning to value them, honor, and communicate with women in real life. You want to conquer this lust? You want to rewire your brain? Begin to rebuild and reshape the relationship that you have with women. Shift from objectification to appreciation, like we always say. Step number 5 here is replace visual triggers with vision. If your future isn't bigger than your fantasy, the fantasy will always win. When a man has clear direction, a mission, goals, purpose, his brain craves progress more than it craves pleasure. Men do not fall because they're weak. They fall because they have nothing stronger than lust pulling them forward. The biggest thing you're looking forward to every weekend is the weekend and not how you're moving your life closer towards the desired outcome, that's where lust takes over. Replace your visual triggers with a vision bigger than you can imagine. Step number 6 here, rewire your environments, not just your willpower. I'm just going to be stronger next time is not a strategy. Your environment shapes your urges. Systems, filters, tracking, routines, phone boundaries, bedtime routines. Those aren't signs of weaknesses. Those are scaffolding that build real strength. Your identity will grow its fastest when it's in supportive environments. Have you set yourself up for success on a daily basis with your systems, with your environment, with your routine? You will not conquer this battle against lust and objectification relying on your willpower alone. You must inject the environment and systems that'll lead you to success. And step number 7 here is to anchor yourself in real brotherhood and accountability. Isolation is like gasoline for lust. Brotherhood becomes the antidote. When you hide in the struggle owns you. When you bring it into light, when you bring it into brotherhood, you're now taking ownership of it. Your brain is built for, created for, and rewires itself through belonging. As iron sharpens iron, one man sharpens another. Men become stronger in the presence of other men becoming stronger. Bring your struggles, bring your issues, bring your service to light in real accountability, in real brotherhood. You want to get control of this lust? Anchor yourself in brotherhood and accountability. 7 steps, men. Start with leadership. Replace your lust with leadership. Train your brain to sit in discomfort. Interrupt your fantasy with your new identity. Rebuild your relationships with the women and the feminine. Replace visual triggers with a vision for the future. Rewire your environment. Stop relying on willpower alone and anchor yourself in real brotherhood, community, and accountability. Now, if you're listening to this going, man, I know this is me. I'm tired of relapsing and I want to rewire your brain. Well, the good news is I've created something exactly for you. It's called the 7-Day Porn Reset, and it's absolutely free. It's 7 days of training videos, 7 days of habits, challenges, and identity work designed to help you break the cycle and build momentum fast. And the best part, you can start right now, 100% for free if you visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset or click the link down there in the show notes below to access it today. But brother, you are not weak. You are not broken. God has not abandoned you. You're simply running the wrong programming. But programming can be rewritten. Every man has a choice. Live as a slave to his urges or become the man God built him to be. If you're ready to stop trying and ready to start transforming, take the next step and join us in the free 7-Day Porn Reset. Visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset or click the link down there in the show notes below. It's free. It's simple. It's the fastest way to build the momentum that you need. I'll see you on the inside.